Hello students. Today we'll continue with the previous project we made on playground game. Here when I run this you will see that the sprite cat is moving up the net and he's feeling happy that he's reached the top. He's jumping, crossing the net and coming down. After this now we want the cat to move into another background of a basketball court. So, first of all, we will go in the backdrops and choose a new backdrop. So, I'll take this basketball one backdrop. So, if you go in the stage, you will see under backdrops tab, now you have two backdrops, playground and basketball one backdrop. So, we go back to the coding. This is the coding area for the stage, but we have to click on the sprite one and continue with the coding. Now, after this, when the cat is coming down, now you can see the background of the basketball court is showing. So to make sure that in the beginning of this animation the playground background is showing, I have to go into the looks blocks. In these looks blocks you will see the switch backdrop to command. When you click on this arrow, a drop down shows the name of all the backdrops you have loaded there, that is playground and basketball one. So I will choose playground backdrop and attach this. So now when I press the green flag, the cat sprite is beginning in the playground backdrop. Okay, now we continue here. We want the cat to say now I will go to the basketball court. Full stop. Maybe for 1 second. Okay. So after he says this, he has to start moving out of this playground. So you can make him go till the end of this backdrop, and from motion you will use the glide command. Glide in 1 second to this new location. So let us run this now again. The character comes down. He says now I will go to the basketball court and starts moving out of this area. Okay, just to make this little faster, we'll make the repeat for once only, and this also will make for 1 second. Okay, so now after he goes here, so we have to change the backdrop. So again from looks we will bring switch backdrop to basketball. Let us see now when I press the green flag, or what I will do is, okay, let's run this. So the cat has moved now and the basketball court has changed. Fine. Now we want the ball to show here in the basketball court. So we have to add a new sprite. From choose a sprite, we will take the basketball and we want it to be placed here supposingly. But you can see that basketball is too big to go inside the basket. So we'll reduce the size from 100 to maybe 70. Now this is the correct size and we place the ball here. Now when we press the green flag, should the ball be showing at that point? No. So we have to do the command from events. When the green flag is clicked, from looks, we have to bring the hide command. So now when I press the green flag, the ball is not showing. When should the ball show, children? It should show in events. We have a command called when backdrop switches to. So you can choose that when a particular backdrop is switched to, supposing basketball, then only I want something to happen. So at that point, I want the ball to show. So now the ball will show at in the in this location. So we want the location also to be decided for the ball. So we say it has to always go to that particular position where we want the ball to be showing. We want every time when the basketball backdrop is switched to, the ball should be placed at a particular position, that is this. So that is shown by this go to XY command. Okay. Now we want this cat to turn and come towards the basketball. So we go to the sprite 1. To turn the cat from motion, we bring point in direction command. Now we have to turn it around to minus 90. But you know, children, whenever we change the direction, the whole body of the cat will turn around. The sprite turns all around. To make sure that only the left and right side of the body turns from motion, we will bring the set rotation style left right. Okay, now let me run this again. So he's climbing up the net, down the net, and then going to move to the basketball court. Can you see now the body turned in the left hand side direction. Now the next step is the cat should be moved from here to here towards the ball. Okay, so this is the new position. First place the cat and then from motion bring the glide command. Okay, now we have to we will make the cat jump up and down as if he's going to throw the ball up and down. So we'll first raise the ball cat here. This is the glide command and then bring it down back. This is the another glide command. Also now we have to make the ball glide up to the basket. So how will the ball know that now it is its turn to move up? The answer is with the new command that you will learn today, that is the broadcast command. In events, we have a command here called broadcast message. So a message can be sent to the ball. So the cat will send a new message. When you click on this arrow, you can choose a message name. So we can say the message name as ball move upwards and then press the OK button. So this is the message that will go to the ball. So we go to the ball and now for the ball the coding is above this broadcast we have when I receive. So when the ball receives this message, then the ball will glide from here to here. So from motion bring the glide command and then from here down here. So another glide command. Okay. Now first we want the ball should move up. So we bring the broadcast command first and along with that the cat should also start gliding up and down. So if you see in the events here, you will see there is a command called broadcast and another command called broadcast and wait. If you choose broadcast and wait, so the cat will not do these commands which are below this broadcast till it completes whatever has to be done after the message is sent to the ball. But if you say just the broadcast command, so the message will be sent and also the cat will start doing the continue the commands which are below this broadcast command. So now let us run this project from the beginning. The cat is running up the net, feeling happy and gliding down again. Then it is going to go to the backdrop of basketball. Both the cat and the basketball glide. After that, if you want the cat to speak, supposedly, hooray, I have done the basket. So from the say command, it can say, hooray, I have done the basket. Okay, but this should happen after the ball has come down. So the ball is going to go now 1 second up and 1 second down. So around, maybe you can say, after 2 seconds, let us say. So the cat, okay, first let me just run it without the wait block so that you understand how it is going to happen. Now the cat is going to turn and come down, go to the basketball court, and then hooray, I've done the basket. Fine. This happens all after the ball has come down after 2 seconds. So this looks good enough. So this is how you have used the new command learned, that is the broadcast message and the when I receive message. So you send a message to the ball, it receives the message, and then the ball glides to this new position. I hope you enjoy continuing this project. Happy coding!